Today we are going to be changing the water pump on a 2014 Mustang GT. This car I'm currently in process of rebuilding, so that's why it doesn't have any fenders, bumper or anything like that. You can see that on my channel, but today we are going to be focusing on the water pump itself, which is right here. It's pretty simple to get to it. All you have to do is take off your intake. There are 3 connectors that you got to disconnect from there, and pretty much it's easy accessible, as you can see right here. This is the water pump. Usually when you go online and you buy one, it's going to ask you, does it have 3 bolts or 4 bolts? The 4 bolts are going to be for the Mustang Coyotes, which is where the pulley bolts onto. And I got some antifreeze, and this is a thermostat gasket, and this is for the water pump. The water pump already came with one. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to drain the water and antifreeze, and the connection is going to be down here. Alright, so we're going to let it drain. While it's draining, I'm going to open up this so that there's no pressure. Do is you're going to remove this hose. It's basically a clip in, and then should pop off just like that. I'm actually going to remove this expansion tank by literally removing one hose and removing, where did the second hose go? And removing the second hose. And then there's 2 10 mils, because this is connected to it and it's kind of in a way. With the expansion tank off, now you can actually have more working space right here. So next thing I'm going to do is remove the lower hose and remove this hose in there too. Alright, so the lower hose is removed. So next thing is we're going to be removing the hose up here. Alright, this clamp was pain in the ass to get it off, and I also removed this, but this was easy. You just squeeze it like that and the hose pops up. So next thing is I'm going to remove the thermostat housing, which is 2 8mm, and this should come off. So we 2 screws off, and now we're just going to have to pull this off. You got to come out slowly.
Where is the leaking?
It's a lot of crud, so you gotta fix that up. Maybe I need to order some more new parts. But so next thing is 4 10mm off the pulley, and then we should be able to access the water pump. Pulley's off. Now we can access the few screws around. 10mm, right? Yep. So all 4 of them are the same size. And now, if everything's off, I should be able to pull it out. Alright, so the water pump just came out. As you pull on it, there's only 4 screws. The water pump is here. Still okay, but it's always to have a new part. So the next thing is I'm just gonna have to recheck all the items that I kind of wanna address, which is gonna be like this inlet pipe, and maybe that this piece right here too, because it looks like somebody was neglecting the car and pouring in the leak stop thing, so that's why you see all this crud. All right, this is why you don't use fix a leak, and you just try to fix it the right way the first time, because this will clog everything in your engine as well.